When it comes to teaching complex topics, nothing beats the power of a lab. Whether it's a chemical reaction in science or a glimpse into ancient civilization in social studies, labs helps bring concept to life. But here's the challenge. Over 80% of the schools lack proper lab infrastructure. Why? Because labs are expensive to build, space is limited, and budgets are tight. That's exactly why we have introduced something truly magical with the EyeRIS AI Digital Board. Full-fledged virtual lab built right into the board. No extra cost, no complex setup, no maintenance hassle. Just switch it on and your lab is ready right inside the classroom. Let's take a classic science example, the titration experiment. Traditionally, a teacher explains the theory, describes the color change and manually draws the graph. But without actually seeing it in action, it's hard for a student to grasp. With EyeRIS, the experiment comes to life. Just add the acid, base, and indicator. You can conduct the entire titration virtually. Watch the color change on screen, adjust quantities, and see the graph plot in real time. All of it fully interactive, eco-friendly, and safe. No chemical, no mess, just pure learning. And it's not just science. Take a walk through virtual monuments, travel across historical timelines. It all becomes a breeze with immersive visuals and interactive tools. From titration to atoms, smallest cells to human anatomy, monuments to space. EyeRIS makes even the most complex topics simple, engaging, and fun. And the best part, it's all packed into one device, your EyeRIS AI Digital Board. Book a demo today and experience the magic of the lab built right into your board.